Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to boost your Windows 11 performance in just one click. So guys, you need to visit this website pcmanager.microsoft.com and download this software. It's a simple, safe and secure, fully compatible with Windows 10 and above operating system. So this software will work in Windows 10 and Windows 11. You can see major features of this application: one-click acceleration, clean up system fragments, free up occupied resources, and make your Windows as fast as new. And also you can manage system space, detect computer virus and any errors. So just guys, you have to download and install. Very simple process to download and install. And after that, here guys, you will see once you successfully install this PC Manager interface. Once you click on cleanup, so here is the option boost, and it will boost in just one click. There are some more options: health check, store management, and process management. So hopefully guys, you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.